Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT inside Microsoft Excel to analyze data and work faster. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel opens, create a new document. You can do this by clicking on Blank Workbook on the Start screen. This will open a fresh spreadsheet where you can start working. Now move to the top right area of the Excel window and look for the Add-ins option. Click on Add-ins to open the Add-in store. This is where you can install extra tools that add new features to Excel. Inside the add-in search bar, type ChatGPT and press enter. Excel will show a list of results related to ChatGPT. Look for the ChatGPT add-in in the list. Once you find it, click on it to open its details page. Then click the Add button. Excel will now install the ChatGPT add-in into your workbook. After the installation finishes, look to the right side of the Excel window. A new panel will appear for ChatGPT. In that panel, click on Continue with ChatGPT. You will now be asked to sign into your ChatGPT account. Enter your login details and complete the sign-in process. Once you are logged in, ChatGPT will be ready to use inside Excel. You can ask it to analyze spreadsheet data, create formulas, summarize information, generate models, and help automate tasks directly in your workbook. Thanks for watching.